Welcome back to the channel, Million Trader, and today I'm here with a stock called as Asian Granito India Limited. So the Asian, talking about the company, the Asian Granito India Limited, also known as AGL, established in the year 2000, has emerged as one of the leading ceramic companies in India over a short span of 2 decades, like 20 years. It has emerged as one of the leading companies in ceramic business, and it has built a distinctive reputation for itself in India as well as global markets as a manufacturer of a wide variety of finest quality ceramic tiles. So it is not only dealing in India, but also it has been exporting ceramic tiles to other foreign countries also. So that's the major advantage of this particular business. And as the coronavirus gets over, and as the lockdown gets lifted up, and as the business continues to boom, and the realty sector also starts to boom, this company will be, it's also be gonna be making a good profits, and you can eventually see the rise in the share price of this particular stock. So it is currently trading at 184 rupees, which is almost like it is equal to its book value. So it has a potential to become like two times or three times, because I'll tell you why. When looking into the chart, you will get a detailed idea why it's going to be a potential multi-bagger, like 100 or 200 times. And the diversified presence is there because it's dealing with variety range of wall flooring solutions, and also quartz offerings, and sanitary ware products as such. So that is the thing about the business which it is doing. And tiles business is 75% of its revenue. So as and when the realty sector boom and the buildings gets constructed, this is going to be this particular stock that's going to be target, and everybody starts purchases, and it's going to be like a potential. It has a capability to become a to reach almost like three times from this level, and I'll be discussing about that. Now, talking about the analysis, so company has reduced its debt, and the stock is trading almost like equal to its book value, and promoter holding also is being increased. And these are the cons, because disadvantages of the particular company. Because of the coronavirus, it may not be able to give a sales growth, is not that great for past 5 years, and all those things are going to be recovered, because as and when the economy gets booming, and the GDP increases and per capita income increases, and the realty sector moving up, this stock will do great. So quarterly results, if you're talking, it has been able to deliver good net profit after tax. So look at this. Last year in 2020 March, it has been only able to generate up to 7 crore, and now it's almost like three times it has been generated a net profit 20 crores, and it's been consistently giving net profits of 20, 25, and 20 respectively for September, December, and March quarter respectively. So if it just continues, you can guess what's going to happen to the share price of this particular stock. So talking about the balance sheet, see the reserves are like, it has been increasing the reserves, and it has almost reached like 592 crores, and the borrowings is almost like 264 crores, which is almost half of its reserves. So that's a great advantage for the business. And also the fixed assets also, it is like increasing, and the current work in progress also is increasing. That is with regards to the, the maybe the showrooms have been inaugurated, and it has been have been built new showrooms for that matter as such. So it is current work in progress also being increasing. That's also a good sign. As and when the business increases, the profit also, the cash flow also will increase for that matter. So talking about the chart which I was specifying, look at the chart. All time high is around like 614 crores, and the last 2016 it was somewhere around trading this level here. So as you can see, in 2016 it was trading around to, November or December month, it was almost like at this point, and almost like after 1 year it made a high of 600. It's almost like three times from this low. So again, what you can see here is a cup and handle pattern. See, beautiful cup being formed, and a beautiful handle is being formed. And if this breaks out, and in short term, you can see almost like a target of, you know almost a target of 236, 251 in maybe 2 or 3 months. That is almost like, just measure it how much it's going to be. Almost the target, if it's a potential, it has a potential gain of 26% to 27% in 3 months. That's great, right? So, and also if in short term 1 month it's going to be like 16% if this gives a breakout. And obviously it's going to give a breakout because you might see this stock rallying up in near future. So, and talking about the all-time high, if you're a long-term investor, you have a great potential to earn 3 times from this particular level. So that is why I came into the stock. And the RSI is also at 40 when you take into consideration of a weekly time frame. And when you take into time frame of daily chart also, you can see a beautiful cup and handle for formation. A cup is formed and handle is formed, and that is almost ready to break out if it's just waiting for the right persons to buy it. And just see the move in the stock once these volumes splunge over, and you are gonna be almost getting 20 to 30% of returns in just 2 to 3 months next. So this, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like. Thank you. And this is not a advice or recommendation to buy. I'm just sharing the particular knowledge about this particular stock, and that's the whole point in this video. And I'm not forcing you guys to buy this particular stock. Thank you.